chain, another food chain example. Again, nagsugod ta ni producer, which is the plant, the grass. And then, gikaon si grasshopper, then si grasshopper, gikaon ni bird, si bird gikaon ni snake, si snake gikaon ni owl, and then, si owl, na dead siya, pagkamatay ni owl, gikaon siya og mga organisms, mga uod-uod, hangtod nahimo siyang mushroom. No, maunang si decomposers. Therefore, si decomposers is very important siya sa food chain. Kay kung tanang patay, walay mo kaon, walay mo kuan sa ilaha, mulata, mudaghan ang mga dead plants and animals sa atong environment. Okay. Now, if you can see here, no, producer in the food chain are always the green plant. Okay, they're always the green plants. No, like lahi man na plants. So green plants are the only organism that can directly get sun's energy. So that is why they are called producer, because they can make their own food through the process of photosynthesis. Now, take a look with the grasshopper. Giingon diha, si grasshopper is the primary consumer. So, nana po ng word na consumers. Si consumer, ng word na consumer, meaning tigkaon. Tigkaon. Dili siya kabot sa iyang kaugalingong pagkaon, kundi tigkaon. No? So, let's move forward. So, unsa maning consumer? Ang consumer daghang klase, no? Kung direct ka ni kaon sa plants, gitawag ka og primary consumer. Nya, kung nikaon ka sa primary consumer, you are called now, or that organism is called now the secondary consumer. Karon katong secondary consumer, gikaon na po siya laing animal, that animal is called the tertiary consumer. So, nagpasa-pasa na karon ang energy from the food that they eat, no? Pero pag ang organism, the primary organism, nikaon siya directly dito sa producer or the plant, gitawag siya og primary consumer. At the same time, gitawag po siya og herbivores. So, because there are many kinds of animals according to the food they eat. So, ato na po na i-classify ning mga consumer depende sa pagkaon na ilang kaon. Sige, direta. Now, naay animals nang ilang ginakaon lang are plants. And these animals are called herbivores. So, herbivores ang tawag nila. Example, sheep. So, si sheep, kay directly man siya mukaon sa plants, gitawag po siya og primary consumer. Like elephants, hippopotamus, si wallaby, dog. Okay. So, napoy animals na mukaon sa plants ug mukaon pod og animals. So, this kind of animals are called omnivores. Again, omnivores. So, these animals eat both plant and animal. So, sama ni dog. Si dog, mukaon po na siya og kanang mga gulay, no? Mukaon po na siya other animals. So, manang gitawag siya omnivore. We also have the cat. Humans are classified as omnivores, and squirrel also. Omnivore po si squirrel. Okay, now let's go to the next one. So, unsa po'y tawag atong mga animals nang ilang ginakaon is only animals. Di sa mga plants. Only animals. So, they are called carnivores. Carnivores, kay carni naman lang gikaon. So, they are called carnivores. And they are also known as the top predators. Predators ganit tighan og laing animals, tigpatay og laing animals. Kay mao may ilang pagkaon. So, we have here some examples. Kani si cheetah is an example of a carnivore. Crocodile, tiger, meerkats are are examples of carnivores.